I spent 35 years inside PwC, Deloitte, Accenture, and Infosys Consulting. I can honestly and confidently say nobody coaching consultants today has sat where I've sat. And comment the word leader, and I'll personally send you the details on the Consulting Career Accelerator Foundation Program. Doors open this month on limited spots in this first cohort. Hi, I'm Michael Hendrix. For the next 4 weeks, I'm going to share exactly what I wish someone had told me 20 years ago when I was climbing the ladder inside some of the biggest consulting firms in the world. But first, let me tell you why you should listen to me over anyone else talking about consulting careers right now. You see, I've spent 35 years inside IT and business consulting firms like Coopers & Lybrand, PwC, Deloitte, Accenture, and Infosys Consulting. I started as a software engineer. I became a project manager, then a practice leader, then a senior sales executive, and a global practice leader and senior consulting partner. You see, I didn't read about the up or out model. I lived it. I didn't guess at what gets someone promoted from manager to senior manager to partner. I sat in those calibration meetings and I made those calls. Here's what I've noticed about the coaching world right now. There are people who will coach you to get into a firm like McKinsey or Deloitte by teaching you case interviews and resumes and mock interviews. Good for them. That's not, however, what you need once you're already in your consulting career. There are also people who will coach you to leave the firm and start your own consulting business. Well, that's fine too if that's your goal. But most of you watching this aren't trying to leave. You're trying to climb. And then there are generic executive presence coaches who will teach you how to command the room without ever having sat in a partner promotion meeting, without knowing what a staffing model is, or without understanding what a Deloitte counselor actually does for your career. I built a Consulting Career Accelerator because none of that existed for the person that I used to be. Burnt out, overwhelmed, unsure if the sacrifice was worth it, but still ambitious enough to want more. Over the next 4 weeks, every Tuesday and Thursday, I'm going to give you real, specific, usable insight. Not motivational fluff, not a mindset poster. The exact habits, conversations, and discipline that separate the consultants who get promoted from the consultants who get passed over. This week, we'll start with the truth nobody tells you. Burnout and stalled careers are usually the same problem, wearing two different masks. I'll unpack that for you on Thursday. For now, here's your first assignment. Ask yourself honestly, when was the last time someone senior in your firm told you exactly what it would take for you to get promoted? Not some vague, hey, keep doing what you're doing. An exact, specific answer. If you can't remember the last time you heard that, you're not alone. And it's exactly why I built this program. If this resonates with you, comment the word leader below, and I'll personally send you the details on the Consulting Career Accelerator Foundation Program. Again, doors open this month, and I'm only taking a limited number of people for this first cohort. I'm Michael Hendrix. Let's go become the leader of your life and your business together. I'll see you on Thursday.